Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Welcome to 3723 South Main Street in Marion. This is a charming historic home with a country feel. I'm Rob Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Let's take a tour. Enjoy historic living loaded with character and charm with a rare open floor plan. Featuring an expansive kitchen with beautiful wood cabinetry, a single basin sink, and a center island breakfast bar. Open to the spacious living room with a bay window and gas stove. All with an adjacent formal dining room with a decorative ceiling. The first floor also features an ideal office or potential bedroom, a full bathroom, and laundry. The charming foyer with a beautiful natural woodwork banister leads to the second floor with 3 spacious bedrooms and a full bathroom, including an owner's bedroom with a double closet. The architectural detailing of this historic home complements the character throughout with easy maintenance vinyl siding and windows. This is country living at its best with a picturesque front porch to enjoy the summer breeze, plus an expansive back deck for hosting the big get-together or cookouts, complemented with a beautiful lot with exquisite landscaping and a detached garage outbuilding for great storage. Marion is a great place to live. This quaint town has a country feel and nearby great parks. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 3723 South Main Street in Marion, one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist. Cheers to living here.